Hey guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today's video ay nandito kami ngayon sa Beacon Plaza, Makati, and we're staying here for 3 days, 2 nights. Today is August 7. Ito yung continuation ng aming anniversary trip. Kasi yesterday is our anniversary and you see na nag-food trip kami sa Jollibee, di ba? So ito yung continuation niya and we're staying here bago kami pumunta ng Boracay. So we will do room tour, guys. I will show you our hotel or condotel that we book here in Beacon Plaza, Makati. So see you in the next video. Where are we? Where are we, babe?
Hello.
So Kai is working. So here, they have oven. Oven to na, di ba? Oven. They have oven. And ref. They have ref. Ganda nang nabook namin na hotel. Condotel siya, guys. Sa Beacon Plaza. So, food namin yan. Ganda. Tapos, merong pwede kang magluto. Pwede kang magluto. May lutuan sila. Induction. Cooker. Lutuan. Ay, lutuan. Ano pala? Hugasan ng... Meron silang sink. Ito ang lutuan. Yan. Yung mga cabinet sila. 2 p.m. na. And may mga utensils sila. Utensils. Tapos, pwede ka din magsaing. Kape. Do you like to drink coffee? I bring some coffee. Pero wala tayong water. I'll buy pa water to go down. Tapos yan, sa another cabinet. Ito lang. Yan. Di ba ang ganda? May free sila, oh. So, ito, dito yata yung mga kutsara. Siguro andito. Oh, dito nga yung mga kutsara. Oh, galing. Kutsara. Ano pa ito? Uy, another lutuan. Galing. Pwede tayo magluto. Magluto ako mamaya. Ito may linisan dito. So, yan. May ano sila, kompleto yung utensils nila. Then, meron silang table for my daddy Kai. And then, mirror. Another cabinet. Yan, lagay ng damit. Ito, yan. Di ba? Ang ganda. Live yourself first. Ganda. So, nandito na tayo. Studio type siya, guys. This is our happy place. Wow! Ito kami anniversary trip ni Habi. Wow naman! So, meron silang TV, may wifi sila, and cable, sky cable, and then aircon. Sa Beacon Plaza to, guys, sa Makati. Tapos ito yung bed nila. This is the bed. Queen size bed. Queen size bed, guys. So, wala silang balcony, guys. Ito lang yung pinaka-balcony nila. View, you can view the Makati. You can view the Makati here. Yan. Sa baba. Ganda, no? Yan na ang aming room tour tayo. Room tour. Sa aming anniversary trip. Kasi we're going to Boracay. Kaya nagstay kami dito. From San Mateo, nagstay kami dito sa Makati. Tapos pwede ka mag-swimming dito, guys. So, magsiswimming kami mamaya ni Daddy Kai. So, ito yung CR. Yun na. So, magstay kami dito. How many days we will stay here? 90 days? Ay, wow, social. So, meron din ba sila, guys, na ganito? May pa-free, ano sila, guys? So, we book here in condo. Cozy Condotel. Lagay ko dyan, guys, yung information. Saan namin siya binuok. May libre silang kape, water, and then toiletries, guys. Ayan. Tissue, and then, what is this, babe? Toothbrush. Alam, may toothbrush pala eh. Galing. Parang ano talaga, tapos may free ano din. Towel, may towel din. Yun, guys. Ang ganda, diba? May ano pala. Tingnan natin laman. May soap din. Yan, galing. May toothbrush. Kaso may dala din ako toothbrush. Ang cute ng toothpaste. Baby. Nishlin. Good na? Section. Lagay ko information dyan, guys, sa ano, kung saan kami nag-book. Sa Agoda kami nag-book, and then we search Beacon Plaza, Makati. Kasi maganda rin dito, guys. Sulit din siya talaga. So, yan. Today is?
Also today.
August 7. So, yan na, guys, ang room tour natin. So, yan na, guys, ang room tour natin. Hope na-enjoy nyo yung room tour natin today. Then, after 3 days, 2 nights, we're going naman to Boracay. Abangan nyo ang Boracay trip namin ni Daddy Kai. Kasama ang aking family. Excited si Daddy Kai makasama ang aking family. Excited yan? Ha? Uy, react! Excited yan eh. So yun lang, guys. Hope you enjoy our room tour here in Beacon Plaza. I will show you as well No, I will show you guys the swimming pool later downstairs. If we go swimming. I hope Daddy can go swimming. I think he'll go because he missed it for the last 2 weeks vacation here. I think he's excited to go swimming in his because at the moment he's working, so in his break time or lunch break, mag-swimming kami 1 hour. Siya 1 hour, ako longer. So yun lang, guys. Thank you, guys. Mag-hi ka. Bye-bye ka natin. Bye!
See you next time.
Gym. briefing. Ano may briefing?